Assalamu alaikum students. We are starting question number 4 of exercise 10G. The question states that there are 3 points P, Q and R and their coordinates are given, as you can see that. Expressed as column vector point M, which is midpoint of QR. We need to express this point as column vector, and this point is midpoint of QR. We have a line segment or a vector QR and its midpoint is M, and we know that the midpoint basically divides the line segment or the distance in two equal parts, which means that QM is equals to MR. So I'm going to use this condition to find the point M. So from here I can write that QM is equals to MR. And we know that how do we find a vector? We always subtract the initial point from the final. It means that I'm going to write it as OM, which is the final point or ending point, minus OQ, which is the starting or initial point. Likewise for here, OR, which is the ending point minus initial point OM. Just like we do calculate the velocity, we always subtract the initial from final. We take it VF minus VI. So likewise, I'm here writing the ending point first minus starting point. So we know the coordinates OM, we do not know OM, right? But we know the other coordinates. So here I'm gonna rearrange it. I need to find this OM. So I'll take it on this side, OM. When I bring it over this side, it will be plus OM equals to OR, right? This is minus OQ. When I bring it here, it's gonna become positive OQ. Now let's substitute the values. OR is 26 plus OQ is 42. Okay, and here I will have 2OM, right? On solving this, I'll get 6 plus 8, which is equals to 2OM. And from here, OM is gonna be this 2 will be divided on the opposite side, and if it's divided, then it divides both the coordinates, the x and y. So it will be 6 over 2 and 8 over 2. 6 over 2 will be 3 and 8 by 2 is gonna be 4. So that's the value of the vector OM, and we have represented it in or expressed it as a column vector, as it was a requirement of our question. Now let's see the part 2, which is find the point N on PM. There's a line PM on which the point N lies such that 4PN is equals to NM. Right? So we are going to find this point N by using this given condition. So okay, I'm going to do it here. Part 2. They have asked you to find the point N on PM. And we are going to use this condition. By using this condition, we will easily find it. 4PN is equals to NM. Alright, so here we know that PN will be equals to ON minus OP equals to OM minus ON. Okay, so this 4 is being multiplied. We're gonna simplify this expression. I'll get 4ON minus 4OP equals to OM minus ON. Right, as I need to find this point N, so I'm gonna bring it over this side and I will get 4ON plus ON, right, will be equals to OM plus 4OP, right? This OP, I'm gonna bring it over here, so it will become positive, and this is what we'll have. Now we're gonna substitute the vectors, the value of the coordinates in this expression. and we will have OM is this point, right? 3 4 plus 4 point P, which is minus 2 minus 1. Okay, and it's equals to 5 ON. And on solving this column vectors or simplifying them, you will get minus 5 0 equals to 5 1. And as we need to find the point n, so this 5 will be divided on the opposite side, and we will have minus 5 divided by 5 will be minus 1, right? And 0 over 5 will be 0. So this is the point n as a column vector. So that's all. Thank you.